Okay, so this is the re-upload of my Drive video. Hopefully you can hear me a little bit better this time. So here are my two folders. I have my EDIC 270, which is our class, of course, and then my US Constitution EDIC, which is my course theme. Now to create anything new in here, I just go up here and I hit the plus for the new. And then I can select any of these. So if I want to do Google Doc, I just can hit blank document. It'll open up. Okay. And then after I type in here and stuff, I can then just move it. If I hit file over here, I will have to actually, hold on, I have to name it something first. EDIC video. Okay. Now, yeah, there we go. Okay, so if I hit move, my two folders pop up right here, and I can just select one of them. And then if I want to share with anyone, I go over here and hit share. And then I can hit my advanced, and I can change it from my private to public or anyone with the link or anything like that. And then I can also enter the invites and everything down here. So yep, there's how you use Google Drive and Google Docs.